mathematics subject. Okay, and lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. Students, previous video we learned the HCF. Okay, in this video we will continue this HCF. Okay, students, can you say what is the full form of HCF? Because we already learned previous. So what is the full form of HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Otherwise we can say GCD. GCD means what? Greatest common divisor. Student, in previous video we learned the one method. Okay, so there are two methods to find out the LCF. We already learned one method. So which one we learned the previous video? We learned the prime factors method. There have two methods, prime methods and divisions method. Okay, we already learned the prime method. Now in this video we will learn the divisions method. Okay, students. Now what is the first question? Now first question, find the LCF by the division method. Which one? We have to find out LCF by the divisions method. Which method we have to use? Division method, and reduce to the simplest form. Okay, so student, it is also a very easy method. We know the divisions. Okay, how to solve the divisions. So same we will use that method. Okay, first here switch number. What is the questions? 621 upon 351. Of this number we have to find out the HCF. Okay, so student, first divided the greatest numbers by the smallest number. So here which is the greatest number? 621 it is the greatest number, and which is the smallest number? 351 it is the smallest number. Okay, so first we will divided to the greatest number by the smallest number. So greatest numbers we will write inside 621, and this 351 it is the small number. Okay, so this one is the divisor. Now student, you divide. We know the tables. Our tables not divided, so in one side we will make the table. 351 is 351 is 351, 352 is 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. So student, this number is greater, so we will not take this. Okay, because we can't minus from this 621. So which one is the smallest number? 351. So 301 is 351. Now minus 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 5, now so here we will take 12 and here 5. So 12 minus 5 how much student? 7. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. So now student, what will go afterwards? Which is the now we divided by previous divisor. Which is the previous divisor here? This is the divisor. So which one is the previous divisor? 351. So we will take here 351. I hope students you understood. Okay. So now student, divide 320 200 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry. This also is greater, so we will not take this one also. So 20 71 is 271 minus 1 minus 0 1, 5 minus not here 50, here 2, 15 minus 7 7 8 9 10 8. Okay, 2 minus 2 0. Now students, which one the previous divisor? Previous divisor 271. Okay students, this 271 will take here. Have students understood? Okay. Now the next one 21 is because 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are okay, 4 is 4 ones are 4, 8 fours are is greater number than this number, so we will not take this one, which 243. So 21 3 is 243. Now minus 3 minus 0. Okay. 10 minus 3 7. 6 minus 4 2. Okay, and 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so now student, which one the previous divisor? Previous divisor 21. Previous divisor 21. Students, we are thinking how much time we will do like this. So we will continue these ones till the reminders become 0. We want the remainder 0. So understood student? So now divided by 27. Okay, 21 7 3 is 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 twos are 6. 6 7 8. Okay, so 27 3 is 81. 81 is 81 minus 81 0. Okay students, our reminders came 0. We will continue with this one till reminders become 0, because we want the remainder 0. So student, which is the last divisor? Last divisor which one? 27. So 27 is our LCM. Okay students, last divisor is the LCM. So it is the common. What is the divisor? The LCM of 61 and 351. Which one student? 27. 27 it is the divisor, common, highest common factor. So what is the LCM? 27. I hope students you understood. Now student, according to this we will solve the practice set. But students, here given one thing, reduce to the simplest form. This also we have to solve. So how will solve simplest form? So what is here? Which is the numerator? 621. Numerators 351. So students, our HCF 27. So we will divide it by 27 to numerators and denominators. Okay, 627 divided 27, 351 divided 27. Now students, do the rough work. 27 621. Okay, we know the 27 27 to 54. 5 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8. 5 minus 5 0. This one. 21 3 is 81. So 23. Again we will divide. 351. 21. 27 ones are 27. We are 15 here too. 15 minus 7 8. 2 minus 2 0. Again 27 3 is 21 and remainder 0 30. Okay, so what is students our simplest form? 23 upon 30. I hope students you understood, and according to this you will solve the next practice set, question number 2. Okay. Now we will solve the practice set. Practice set 12 and question number 2. So students, what is the question number 1? 275 divide upon 525. Now students, how we solve? Same like this. First we will divide the greatest numbers by the smallest number. So which is the greatest number? Greatest numbers is the divider and smallest number it is a divisor. Okay, so 521 is the divider and 275 is the divisor. Now students divide. First in rough we will do here 275 2 is 5 2 5 is 10. 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 5. 550 is greater number. We can't minus from 525. So we will not take this one. We will divide it by 1. 275 1s are 275 minus 5 minus 5 0. 12 minus 7 is not. So here 12 and here 4. 12 minus 7 5 and 4 minus 2 2. Okay students. Now which one the previous divisor? Previous divisor 275. So this divisor we will take here 275. Students, don't be confused. Okay, 270 we always will take the previous divisor. Okay, previous divisor 275. So here we do again divide. Again we will divide it by 1. 250 ones are 250. Now minus 5 minus 0 5. 7 minus 5. How much students? 2. 2 minus 2 0. Okay. Again students, which one you will take? Which is the previous divisor? 250. So we will take 250. So students, we know that 210 is the last. 250 tens 250. Okay, we will continue this one till reminders become 0. We want the 0. Okay, so which one the previous, which is the last of students, which one is the last divisor? 25. So last 25 divisors are 25 LCM. Our LCM which one student? 25. I hope students you understood this one. Okay, now we do reduce to the simplest form. Okay, now we will do simplest form. We will do simplest form. So in the simplest form we will solve 275 upon 525. Our LCM 25, so we divided by 25. 525 divided 25. So now students do 275. 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. How much continent? 11. So 11. Again 525 525. 5 ones for 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 25 ones are 29. How much, students? 21. Okay, so our simplest form, the simplest form is 11 upon 21. I hope students you understood these two sums. One more we will solve. Practice set 12, second one. Okay, so students, which one? Next one. Second one, 76 upon 133. Okay. Again, students, we will divide the greatest number by the smallest number. So which one is the greatest number? 131 is the divisor, and which is the divisor? 76. Okay, now students look. 76 ones are 76, 76 twos are 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 sevens are 14, 14 1 plus 14, 15. Okay, this one is the bigger number, so we will not take. So 17 ones are 17, 6 ones are 76. Now students you minus 3 minus 6 not to come. So 13 here and here 13 and here 12. So 13 minus 6, 7. How much, students? 4, 5, 6, 7. And 12 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Okay. So students, which is the previous divisor? Previous divisor 76. Here we will take 76. Okay. Now 57 ones are 57 minus 7 minus 6 minus 7 1 here 16 here 6. 16 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. How much? 8. And 6 minus 5, 1. 18. Okay. How much, students? Sorry. 19. 6, 7, 8, 9. 19, how much? 19 3s are 57. 57 minus 57, 0. Okay, students, we will continue this division method till remainders become 0. Okay, so students, which one the last divisor? 90. So our LCM. So LCM how much? The LCM how much, students? The LCM of 76 and 133. How much, students? 19. Okay. So 19 is the LCM. Now it is called simplest form. Simplest form of this fraction. Okay. Simplest form of the fraction. How much? How will solve, students? 76 upon. Okay. We will divide it by 19. 76 divided 19 and 133 divided 19. Okay, students. So 19 4s are 76 and here 19 sevens are 33. So our simplest form which one? 4 upon 7. I hope students you understood. I hope students you understood this two answer. Okay. And the remaining third one, students you try to solve yourself. Okay. I hope students you understood division method. Okay. Previously learned the prime method. That also you understood. Students do the practice again and again. Okay. Thank you.